Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is gonna be totally different than my usual. I'm introducing my Flag Friday series over to YouTube, but you won't see this on Friday. I'll be uploading this video on Sunday, my usual time. Over on Instagram, I have an exclusive series dedicated to creating nail sets inspired by different countries. So I would put up a poll asking my Instagram people like what flag or what country they would want to see me create a set off of next. So drop a flag in the comments and I'll do that. Now I would put up a poll to see which one they want to see next. So I kind of discontinued that series for a little while, but now I'm starting it again and I decided to bring it over to YouTube. So these are a few nail sets that I've done inspired by different flags or different countries. I'll dig deeper into like the culture and stuff like that and put some facts in the caption. But this time I'm gonna bring it over to YouTube and give you guys 10 random facts that I found out about each country. So after watching this video, let me know if you would like to see more of this and I'll record some for you guys going forward. Now, this is the first time I'm hearing about Uzbekistan. And how I got to know about this country, I was looking through my YouTube analytics and I'm seeing the countries that watch me, and Uzbekistan was one and India was one. So I put up a poll for Instagram to let me know which one they want to see me create next, like a nail set based off of that country, and they chose Uzbekistan. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And as you can see, these are the colors of the Uzbekistan flag. So we're just gonna dive in with just the basics first. So the colors of the flag are basically green, blue, white, and red. And the green color represents nature. The white is for peace and purity. The blue is for the water, and red is basically the life force essential to all humans, you know, the blood that runs through us. You're gonna see the crescent moon, which is the rebirth of the independence of the republic, and the 12th star representing like their the months of the year. So that's all the symbols on the flag, and that's basically what they mean. I came across their emblem and it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna add the meaning of that to the screen as well. And their motto is "The strength is in the justice." Okay, we're gonna get into the 10 random facts I found interesting about the country. And if there's any Uzbeks in the here watching, you can comment and let me know if these are really true or not. I did Google a lot of these. I did Pinterest searches, stuff like that. Watched some stuff on YouTube, Instagram. I kind of researched a little bit, but hey, I'm not really there in the country to know for sure if this is what it is, but yeah, just let me know in the comments below. So first we have the way they drink tea. So there's a specific way they do it. First, they would rinse out their tea bowl with a drop of hot tea and then return like a bowl full to the pot 3 times. So they would basically just throw back in the tea water into the pot, then pour it back out of the pot into the bowl and do that 3 times before the tea is considered fit to drink. Their, I guess, national tea would be green tea. And it is said that they do drink green and black tea without sugar or milk. So, yeah. And on the topic of food, their bread is never laid upside down or placed on the ground because it is considered to bring bad luck. Their national fruit is pomegranate, or in Jamaica we call it panganut. Their national food or dish is the plov, and it's usually made with mutton, but you can also make it with chicken. And they're one of the world's largest producers of gold and cotton, and having the world's largest open pit gold mine. I'm not gonna give specific measurements for this gold mine, just know that it is enormous. Like, it is super big. And they're also ranked one of the safest place in the world to travel, even for female solo travelers, guys. Like, get into it. Their metro stations are known for their beauty. They have like marble ceilings and chandeliers, and it is really breathtaking. It's beautiful. I've never seen a train station look like this good. The handshakes are only acceptable as a greeting between two men. So for the women, for you to greet them, you would bow to her with your right hand over your heart. And I think that is so adorable. So adorable. We should normalize that everywhere. And now for a little technicality, they're one of 2 double landlocked countries, which basically, as you can see right here, there's just land surrounding the country before it reaches out to the sea. In my thought process of what it actually means. So you can see this region here surrounds it first, and then there's another group of countries that surrounds it. So it's double landlocked before it reaches out to the sea. And then it's the only country in the world that has neighboring countries all ending in stan. So in this clip, can you find Uzbekistan? Like, pick it out real quick. Okay, so here it is. And as you can see, the countries surrounding it, all of them, like, it ends in the word stan. That's so crazy. It's the only country to have that. So those are my 10 facts about Uzbekistan. Of course, they have a ton more. They also have a national dance called Lazgi, and this is it. I'm gonna have it linked in the description if you want to see it with sound. I'm pretty sure I might get copyrighted for the sound if I add it from this video, but it's a very beautiful dance. And they also have a national flower, and I'm gonna let you guys guess in the comments what flower it is. I did hide it throughout this video, so if you see that emoji, comment it in the comment section and let me know. Let me know what fun fact kind of blew your mind in the comments below. Mine has to be the tea drinking, because of course, you know, a lot of countries, they just pour the tea and just drink it. But having it thrown back in the pot 3 different times and then drink it, it's like, wow, okay, interesting, you know? So let me know yours. And for this nail set, it's mostly based off the flag. As you can see, the crescent moon, the stars, and the red bordering the nail is based off the flag, plus the colors, the white, green, blue. Oh, they also have beautiful mosques, beautiful. And this nail is inspired by one of the mosques, and I'm gonna show you the picture of it. It's just one of the designs that it has, and I'm gonna also do it on the pinky nail, and then the thumb will have the outline of the country. So yeah, that will be it for the nail set and how I design it, or what I'm adding to the nail. In the outline of the country, I'll have the flag in there as well, like how the flag actually looks. Oh, so yeah, what do you guys think about this series so far? Is it something that you'd watch again with another country to know 10 random facts about it? Let's have a convo in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, like, guys, come on. Subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. So this wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.